Hey guys, thanks for joining us for today's webinar. I'm Rachel Kelly with Floriology Institute, and today I have Tony Hines.
Hey guys.
With Floriology Institute, and today we're going to be talking about how to create a Facebook post. This is the third part of our 5-part series. Tony will go ahead and show you where to find to write the post.
Alright, so when creating a Facebook post, well, first things first, this is the screen that you will come to. We're going to be posting from Floriology Institute. So this is the home screen that you will be coming to for your Facebook page. Then you'll scroll down to the Write a Post section. And we already have a post drafted up to write for you guys. This is going to be advertising our design time coming up this Friday.
So unlike tweets, just keep in mind Facebook posts aren't limited to 140 characters. They can be long as a paragraph and illustrated with pictures and videos. But today we're just going to be posting a regular picture. And also, but you want to keep in mind to keep your post caption short and concise to capture your viewers' attention. And so he's going over, it says, don't forget to tune into design time, hashtag design time, this Friday with Jackie Lacey. We're basically tagging Jackie Lacey right now. So you see that Tony started it with @ and you type in Jackie Lacey, and I believe it's Jackie Lacey AIFD with no spaces.
There we go. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time to find the person, but here we are.
And then just eliminate what you don't need.
And you know someone's successfully tagged once they're highlighted blue. Same thing with hashtags. That's how you know it's a complete hashtag once it's highlighted in blue.
And we've used the design time hashtag before. So that basically what that means is if somebody clicks the design time hashtag, it will bring them to a whole page of posts that are tagged with design time. So just keep it consistent.
So there's a couple of different features that you can include in your post. The most important would be the photo and video. So we're going to add a engaging photo for this post.
So you just click the photo and video option, and sometimes it lags a little bit. And we have it saved to our desktop to make it kind of like easy to find. Definitely recommend that, so it makes it easy to do.
So yeah, you have your photos and videos. You also have different options down here. So feeling and activities, when you click this, you can add more emotion to your post, but for the sake of this demo, we're going to skip that. You're also able to do polls, watch parties, get messages checking in, and advertising your business with some of these extra features, but for the simplicity of this, we're just going to skip through those features.
And we can even you can even preview your post prior to posting. Shoni will show you how to do that here. You can look at it desktop preview, mobile version, because keep in mind whatever device you're using, it's going to show up a little bit differently. So this is kind of a neat little like behind the scenes of what it's going to look like. You're
also able to change when you post. So you can either backdate, which will schedule a post in the past essentially. So this will be for like if you missed posting about a certain event or something and you wanted to make sure that you had your name in the conversation, you're able to backdate a post, or you can save a draft, or you can post.
You can even schedule in advance.
Yeah, and you can even schedule in advance. Right here, you're able to change who can see your post. You're able to target your fans, make it more restricted, make it more public. We like to keep all of our posts public because we want all of our followers to be able to see the content that we post, so we make sure that all of it's public. And you're also able to boost posts, and boosting posts is when you add a budget to your post and you're essentially just advertising on Facebook. It gives you more reach and engagement for your post.
And another great idea for your Facebook post is to contain a call to action. So basically you can ask your audience a question or request that they like or follow something. For this specific example, we're just giving them a reminder to tune in this Friday for design time. So it is a call to action. You can include your website link at the bottom if you're just doing like a regular visit our flower shop and you want to have that call to action to go to their website. You can definitely include that. But for today, we're not going to include our website just because it's talking about a video that will be premiering on Friday.
After that, you essentially just share it.
Yep. So once you figure out, or once you have your caption and picture ready, you just click share, and that will appear at the top of your page, and it will also appear at the top of your audience's page if you selected the demographic, or I believe you posted for public, so it'll
Yes.
be publicly shown for those in your area.
And this is the completed post, and this is what it would look like on your end. And when anyone clicks on the post itself, it would also appear like this for your followers.
Yep, and then you see there's a square when you hover over Jackie Lacey's face. You could even add an additional tag, or we could just show you a second way of tagging people. There he is, Jackie Lacey. What this does is this post will appear on their Facebook page, so it'll appear on Jackie Lacey's Facebook page, and all his friends can see that. So it's just a different way of gaining more reach. All right, well, thank you so much for joining us for today's webinar. If you guys have any questions, please let us know in the comments below. We're happy to answer anything and all questions.
Also, we do have 2 more webinars coming up in this series. The next one is going to be how to build engagement on your Facebook page, and then our 5th part of the series is how to track your Facebook analytics. And these are all important things that we believe that our florists should know. So just stay tuned for those, and we'll see you later.
All right, see you guys.